matatapos.
Tangkad naman.
Yes po. This year, kasi naging busy lang kami sa taping ng The First Family. So, just waiting lang till the end of the semester, then we'll finish my last semester na. Next semester po.
Pero yung graduation pupunta ka rin.
Di na po, dito na lang.
Dito
Sinabi
na
ko
rin.
sa press con ko dati na dito ko na lang itatapusin yung laro ko. So, yun lang po.
Andres, kumusta?
Kamusta po? Long time no see.
Kamusta experience doing a sitcom?
Ang experience naman, I'm super grateful. Super fun. A lot to learn talaga, especially na working with all these people na super experienced talaga. My dad, of course, my mom, Tito Bayani, Tito Ses, Tito Roderick especially, all great actors, and so I'm just learning a lot, and the experience is really fun talaga, masaya.
Andres, sinong type dream mong makasama?
Dream ko makisama sa...
Since pumasok ka na rin sa...
Wala naman akong dream na gusto kong makisama sa kahit sino, pero para sa akin lang, kahit sino, dream naman talaga kasi dream job ko to talaga.
Yung gusto mong makapartner, gano'n, or...
Off the top of my head, wala ko naman masabi. Pero kahit sino kasi everyone is a different person, it's a different experience. A lot of things to learn rin from other people. So kahit sino, I'll be grateful talaga kahit sino.
So, anong reaction mo kanina sa sinabi ni Tita Ces? Naiyak ka ba?
Na magaling ka.
Pinulit
Muntik na ako lumuha, grabe. Luluha na ako.
She's a
Kasi ang
respected actress na.
super, and you know, after talking to Tita Cecily during our time sa set, sa taping, she's really the sweetest talaga. She's so nice, she's very encouraging. Tapos nalaman ko rin na she used to teach dati pala sa UP, diba, pang-acting. So, minsan rin I ask her like, Tita Ces, you know, anong pwedeng gawin dito, you know, kasi she's very articulate and she teaches very well. So, and she's the nicest talaga on set. So.
Gusto mo rin magawa ng drama roles? Or
Drama roles?
Medyo nasa comedy ka kasi yung gusto mong movie ng daddy mo, Dubai.
Drama. Gusto ko talaga mag-drama eventually. Pero na yun kasi, mahilig talaga ako sa mga jokes, pagbiro, pag-asar, ganun. So, I'm having fun now with the sitcom and all. And siguro, pag ready na ako, I really wanna do mga drama.
Sinabi ng dad mo na may hirap sa show business. Na-experience mo na ba yung difficulties? Meron na ba? Or medyo ngayon, light pa lahat?
Sa totoo lang, never light talaga. I treat every taping day as work talaga. I prepare, I read my script, I memorize, I practice, nag-workshop rin ako. So, di naman light. It's just, I'm really trying to do the best I can always talaga. So, I won't treat it light talaga.
You said to us na you have to earn your own money. Ano ba ang saan mo to ilalagay? Or what are you planning to purchase? Or ano ba para sa sarili mo?
Na yun kasi
Savings?
savings lang talaga. Iupunin ko na lang yung pera ko kasi you know, in this job din naman di mo alam kung anong mangyayari, so you know, savings muna talaga. Habang bata pa ako, di ba? Habang nagtatrabaho ako, gusto kong mag-save, you know. Yun lang.
May nabili ka na ba sa first paycheck mo?
Dati nung nasa high school ako, yung first paycheck ko ng
Commercial.
commercial, puro mga mga bagay lang, mga sapatos, gano'n. Doon pa, kasi bata pa ako nun. Pero na yun, di na masyado, iniipon ko talaga yung pera ko.
So, Andres, nalabas din dito yung pagiging funny mo. Kasi si Tash, nakita na namin yung sa Itbulaga, di ba? Ikaw, meron fingering side din, yung nakikita namin dito.
Okay, kasi yung character ko kasi, mahilig magpabiro, magpaasar, gano'n. Tapos sa tunay naman, sa real life, gano'n din ako. Mahilig ako mag-asar, magbiro, mag-joke. Kaloka talaga ako, di ba? So, gusto ko ipakita sa yung mga viewers yung real side of me naman. Kasi yung nakakita yung mga viewers ay si Andres baka
Parang serious.
tahimik, ganun. Pero di naman ako ganun eh. Super masaya ako lang palagi. So, yun lang.
Tapos may partner ka, di ba si Heart? Medyo parang may...
Si Heart kasi sa show natin, siya yung best friend ko. Sorry po. Siya yung best friend ko sa mga eksena natin. Childhood friend. So, up to the people na lang to see what they want to see or think of what they want to see. Pero she's just my friend lang.
Kamusta naman working with her?
Great working with her. Heart is super nice talaga. Super nice person. We always talk. Minsan nagtitiktok kaming tatlo sa set. So super saya naman. And she's also kaya dynamic siya. So masaya lang. It flows very well. Very easy.
Humihingi ka ba o binibigyan ng tip ng dad mo tungkol sa panliligaw?
Panliligaw! Ano to? Siyempre naman, kung itatanong ko siya kung may mga tips. Kasi, alam niyo naman, aga mulat.
Ano yun? Kasi tell you.
Lang, siguro, if I go... wag na lang sabihin. Okay, no naman, if I have, if I have a date naman, they'll tell me, ganito. Pero, nothing serious naman. She always tells me na lang, be yourself talaga. Just be yourself. Enjoy, have fun.
Of course, you're aware of how much a heartthrob your dad was in the past.
Yeah.
Do you talk about that? And what tip does he give you now na you're on that?
Kaya nga, ito nga. Yung tatay ko kasi sinasabi niya na, Andres, dapat gawin mo to. Dapat gawin mo ganito. Tapos yung palagi kong sinasabi ay, Tay, dad, gumagana lang yan para sa'yo kasi superstar ka. Diba? Pero ano to, wala, it's just biro-biro lang, funny.
Ano ko na, ginawin mo na rin, how true na nag-date, nakapag-date ka, and yung dated Kaylin, nagkanta. Ano totoo na?
What? Sorry po?
Si Kaylin, nagkanta,
No po, I've met her with Tosh, pero dating, I never dated. Nakita ko rin yan, I never dated.
No time for dating ka pa.
Right now kasi I just started work, so just really focus lang talaga sa trabaho ko.
Usapang leading lady naman, sino yung mga dream leading ladies mo, if top of mind?
Wala, di ko masabi. Marami, di ko masabi. Next time na lang. Next time.
Nakakasanayan mo na ba na kinakikiligan ka ng mga girls and even gays?
Actually, di pa ako sanay sa totoo lang sa mga kiligan. Pero I'm getting used to it slowly. I appreciate it a lot palagi kasi it's nice to hear, it's nice to feel naman that people actually see me that way, and I really appreciate that kind of support. But yun lang.
But I'm sure in public nalalapitan ka na, may mga nagpapapicture na. How do you handle
Meron
that?
naman po, pero I'm super grateful na that gets to happen. Kasi unang-una, when someone comes up to me na gano'n and they want a picture or they at least want to converse naman, I'm very happy to entertain them naman, have a picture with them kasi I just wanna make their day, diba? Kung when they leave me naman, I want them thinking na, bait naman ni Andres, diba? Like, he really made me smile today.
May limitation ka ba when giving in to fan requests? Like pag kumakain ka, bawal. When you're talking to your family, bawal. Or kung pwede, wag. May ganun ka ba?
Sorry po?
Meron ka bang limitation when it comes to accommodating your fans? Like, kasi yung iba, di ba, ayaw magpa-picture pag kumakain naman ako eh. Or yung iba, when they're out with their family, private time. Ikaw ba may ganun ka?
No naman po. Basta when they ask naman or when they come up to me, they're always nice talaga. I haven't had a moment na may bastos or whatever. They're really always nice. So, respectful din.
And you always say yes,
Yes,
to request.
always. Talaga.
Okay, may request for a
invite ka
photo.
lang sa first family.
And inibitahan ko kayo para manood yung the first